In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space or folder in Clickup. Whether you're cleaning up your digital workspace or simply streamlining your Clickup dashboard, knowing how to delete unnecessary spaces or folders can be incredibly helpful. I'll guide you through a straightforward step-by-step process, allowing you to easily manage your Clickup environment. First things first, let's head over to the Clickup website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clickup's official site. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the login page. Now, many of us find it convenient to log in using our preferred email platforms. Click on the Continue with Google option if you use Google services. Select the account linked to your Clickup profile. And just like that, you'll be seamlessly logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Clickup dashboard. Notice the navigation panel on the left side. This panel is your gateway to accessing different spaces you've created. Locate the specific space you wish to delete. A space typically houses various folders, tasks, and lists, so make sure you're choosing correctly. When you've identified the space you want to remove, look for the 3 vertical dots beside the space name. This icon indicates additional options for managing that particular space. Click on these 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several management options for your space. Among these options, you'll see the Delete option. Click on Delete, but before you proceed, remember that this action is irreversible. Deleting a space will remove all its contents, including tasks and lists, permanently. So it's crucial to ensure you're selecting the right space. After you click Delete, Clickup will prompt you to confirm this action. Confirmation steps are essential as they prevent accidental deletion of important data. A pop-up or dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Click on Delete once more, and with that final click, your selected space will bid farewell. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a space in Clickup. Remember to double-check and ensure you're deleting the correct space, as this action cannot be undone. Deleting unused or cluttered spaces can enhance your virtual workspace efficiency and ensure that what you see is only what you need. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Clickup tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep your workspace organized and efficient.